Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before we get start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fikri Yusuf, and I'm here. I want to talk about this material. Uh, Using storytelling as a tool for language acquisition in EFL. Okay, let's get talk about this material. The first slide, we get table contents. First, we're gonna talk about introduction, and the second one we're gonna talk about benefit of storytelling in language acquisition, and the third we're gonna talk technique for storytelling in EFL, and last is the conclusion. Okay, let's go. First, we're gonna talk about introduction. What is storytelling in EFL? Storytelling in English as a foreign language, EFL classroom refers to the use of a narrative as a teaching method by integrating stories into a lesson educator and created an engine and meaningful way for students to learn and practice English. This approach combines various language skills, including first listening. Students listen to the story, improving their ability to understand spoken English. The second one is speaking. Retelling or discuss the story helps students practice pronunciation, vocabulary, and fluency. The third one is reading. A story can be read aloud or provided and written from increasing reading comprehension and literary skill. And the last one is writing. Writing. Students can create their own story, summaries, or reflection with their writing ability. This holistic approach support language development in a natural and encouraged way. Okay. Uh, why storytelling? Storytelling offers several benefits that make it effective teaching strategy in EFL. The first one is engage and memorable. A story captures student attention and make the learning process enjoyable. This emotional connecting helps student retain vocabulary and concept more effectively. The second one is natural and impressive. Stories provide a context-rich environment, allowing students to learn language in a way that mirror real-life communication. This impressive experiment forces in intuitive understanding of a grammar and language patterns. The third one is uh, force creativity and cultural understanding. The storytelling student can explore their cre- cre- uh, creativitas by inventing their own tales. Editorially, stories from different cultures broaden their perspective and increase intellectual competence. Okay, the next slide is benefit of storytelling in language acquisition. The first one is cognitive benefit. Cognitive benefit, storytelling offers several cognitive advances that support language acquisition. The first one is increase memory retention. Stories are engaged and often emotionally impact, making it easier for learning to remember vocabulary, grammar, and language structure. The second one is building vocabulary and grammar knowledge and a context. Storytelling students are exposed to the new word and grammatical pattern in meaningful context, helping them understanding and internalize language naturally. Okay. Linguistic benefit. Storytelling also directly improve linguistic skill. The first one is improving pronunciation and fluence. Listening to listening to and retelling stories provide opportunity to practice pronunciation and develop natural speech rhythms. And the second one is encourage creative linguistic language use by creating or adapting stories. Student experiment with language, fostering creativity and organicity in their of use English. Okay, the last one is social benefit. In addition to cognitive and linguistic benefit, storytelling supports social and interpersonal development. The first one is development communication skill. Sharing story requires activity listening, clear expression, and the ability to convey idea effectivity, all of which are crucial for communication. The second one is fosters collaboration and empathy. Group storytelling activity encourage teamwork and understanding others' percep- perspective, building a sense of community and emotional intelligence. Okay, uh, the next slide is a technique for storytelling in EFL. The first one is using picture books. Using picture books are an effective tool for storytelling in EFL. EFL classroom offering visual cues that increase language comprehension and engagement. The first one we get visual support. Picture perfect context and help student understanding the story, even if they are uh, engaged unfamiliar vocabulary. The second one is engagement for all age. Well, often Associated with a young learners, picture books can also be used with older student by selecting age approach or culturally rich content. The last one is a activity example. After reading the picture of the book, student can describe the illustration or creating their own caption for each page. The second one is uh, interactive storytelling. Interactive storytelling activity involves student in the narrative, making the learning experience more dynamic. The last one is digital story. Uh, digital story, digital tool allow students to create it and sharing story in innovative ways. Interacting technology into a language learning. The first one we got a multimedia narrative. Use tool like PowerPoint, Canva, or video editing software to combine text, image, and sound in storytelling. The second one is interactive apps. A platform like books, creator of storytelling or storyboard enable students to design and share digital books. The last one is activity example. Assign students to create a short digital story about their daily routine or a functional adventure. Okay, the last one is the conclusion. Storytelling is a versatile and powerful tool for ELF instrument. It can be adapted to a various teaching contents and learning objective, making it a flexible resource for educator. The second one is promotes holistic language development. Beyond vocabulary and grammar, storytelling, naturally listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill contribute to a comparison language acquisition. The second one is uh, encourage creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. Students engage to not only with the language but also with the emotion and perspective of character, which promotes cognitive and emotional growth. Okay, uh, maybe enough. Thank you for your attention. Uh, if you get any question or information about this material, you can comment in this video. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.